Hello guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Well, in today's video, we are going to unbox the new MacBook Air M1 and I'm gonna do my first impression as well, so stay tuned. So here it is guys, the box of the new MacBook Air M1. But first, let's try to cut out the plastic cover on the box so that we can open the box. Just like that. So here we are guys, looking at the box. Let's take a closer look what we can find. So here is the top of the box, which has the side view of the M1 MacBook Air. This is the other side. It says MacBook Air, and then the other side, which has the Apple logo. Same goes on the other side, MacBook Air, and at the left side, which is an Apple logo. So flipping it up, we'll see the bottom part of the box, and it tells us some more information about this product. So guys, this is the moment of truth. It's time to reveal this product. Let's see and find out what it looks like. So here it is guys, the new MacBook Air M1. I chose the color gold because it looks very appealing to me and it looks very elegant. Look at that logo guys. By the way guys, I'm inserting the actual unboxing, which has still the plastic cover on this unit. So you can see that on the screen guys. Now let's check out the box and find out what other stuff or things we can find. So here we are. We can see the Type-C or the USB Type-C cable line. So there it is guys. Actually this line is quite long, so it's very generous. So you don't have to worry whether or not this cable line is short. It's very generous guys, and it's quite long. And then we have this paperwork, some information about the product or some manual, but fortunately they're all in Chinese since I bought this here in the mainland of China. And then we have the two Apple logo stickers. Yeah, so that's pretty much about inside this little box. And of course, we have this adapter, guys, the power adapter, where you have to plug the USB Type-C cable line. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much about all the contents of the box. So we have the manual, the paperwork, and the two Apple logo sticker, the USB Type-C cable line, and the power adapter. This is not included. The mouse is not included, so I bought it separately. So yeah, take a look at all of the contents of this box and the new M1 MacBook Air. So now it's time for us to investigate or, take a closer look about this product. So this is the actual main product, which is the M1 MacBook Air. So this is the front of the M1 MacBook Air. You can see the beautiful logo of Apple. So actually guys, this is my first time to have an Apple MacBook Air. So I'm kind of excited. Look at this guy, so thin. That's why it's called Air, because it's a notebook which is very, very thin. Look at that. So on this side guys, you can see the audio jack, which is located on this side. You see that little hole on the corner? So that is the audio jack that you can plug in any of your headphones. So turn it a bit to the front and you'll notice that this has this cursive spot. Well, this serves as, easy for you to open it up. And you can see that it's really, really light and thin, guys. I can really feel that it's very light, guys. And then we go back to the top and you'll see the Apple logo. Look at that, guys. Very elegant looking MacBook Air. And then guys, this is the back side of the MacBook Air. And then turn it a bit and we go to the side where you can see the USB Thunderbolt. Well, there are only 2 available slots on this laptop, so you need to buy a hub or an adapter if you want to connect more devices to this computer. So guys, this is the bottom part of the computer. You will notice that this doesn't have any holes or grills for exhaust fan. So this computer is fanless. So that's a great technology, right? So I'm quite amazed with this product. By the way guys, this is my first ever MacBook Air or MacBook laptop computers in my life. So I'm kind of anxious and excited, to have this computer, because I've been using Asus laptop computer for about 5 years. So I thought of buying a new MacBook Air to, try it and experience how this computer is different from, Microsoft computer, such as Asus or Dell and so on. So now let's turn on and browse on this laptop computer. Let's see how it goes. So guys, this laptop computer has a fingerprint scanner. So you just, that side, on that corner, you just tap your finger and it can read and it can, you can access the laptop computer. This laptop computer is also built in with a selfie or front camera. This laptop computer is also built in with fantastic stereo loudspeakers, which are located on this side, on the left side and the right side of the laptop computer. So here it is, guys. I'll have a sound test. Listen to this. So guys, what do you think of the sound quality of this laptop computer? Well, for me, I loved it because it sounded very crisp, very clear, and there's some bass on it. So I felt like, I'm listening to an orchestra or something. Even though this computer is very, light and very thin, but the sound is big. So overall, I love the laptop computer so far. So I can't wait to use it because, as what I have told you a while ago, this is my very first time to have a MacBook Air or any MacBook computer. So I'm kind of excited to, use it in my everyday life. So yeah, I love the design. It's very sleek, modern, sophisticated looking, elegant, you name it. When it comes to Apple product, they're probably the best in the world, right? So anyway, with that said, we come to an end of this vlog. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day. 再见. Bye bye.